I'm going to show you how to multiply a monomial by a trinomial. So the 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 x, we know that it has an exponent of 1, and this x must multiply everything that is in the bracket. So firstly, we multiply x by x cubed. I draw a line to show you how I multiply these two. So firstly, we know that x has an exponent of 1 and it is negative. Now we multiply by x cubed. So we know that we are supposed to add the exponents because x and x are the same. So we say 1 plus 3 is going to give us x to the exponent 4. That's why here I'm writing negative x to the exponent 4. Next, it's negative x times negative 2x. I'm going to do it aside. Negative x times negative 2x, which is this x again, and negative 2x. So we know that a negative and a negative are going to give us positive, which we do not write. I don't write any sign. Positive, even if you don't write the sign, it's fine. So x and 2x, we know that there's a 1 here. We multiply 2 and 1, we get 2, because negative and negative have given us positive. And then there's a 1 and also a 1, so we add 1 and 1 to get x to the exponent 2, and then, which means it's positive, so we write plus 2x to the exponent 2. And then the last one is negative x and 5, which is negative x times negative 5. It's negative x and negative 5. So we we know that negative and negative are going to give us positive. So it's positive 5x. We just bring them together, 5 and x. We start with the number 5. So it's plus 5. So basically, this is your answer. These are the steps that show you how you multiply. It's not that you're supposed to write them. It's just your like scrap work or something. Let me do one last one before I leave you. One last example to show you. Negative 2x squared y multiplied by x minus 4y. We know that we're supposed to multiply this by this and the same term again by the other one. So I'm going to show you the steps again. 2x squared y times x. It's 2x squared y times x. We know that x is the same as x, so there's a 1 here. We're going to add 2 and 1 to get how much? 3. So, and we have a negative, so we say it's equal to negative 2, and x is the same as x. We add 2 and 1, we get x cubed, and y is not, there is no other one which is the same as y. It remains y. So our first answer is negative 2x squared y. Next, we move on to this one and this one. It's negative 2x squared y times x, which will give you, we know that x and x, I've done it, sorry. Next one is negative 2x squared y times 4y. We know that we're supposed to multiply negative 2 and 4, which gives us negative 8. X, there's no x here, so we just write it x squared. Y and y, there's 1 and there's 1, so it's y to the exponent 2. So it's plus because they are both negative. negative and negative is going to give you plus. So we write plus 8x squared y squared. Thank you very much.